competition is about to begin. Oh, cowabunga!
That does it. I came to the beach to have fun. Ranger Meany or no Ranger Meany.
I've got you now, Woodpecker!
Uh-oh, that surf sheriff's gonna come after me for sure. But she won't be on the lookout for a Hawaiian woodpecker. Hello?
When I get my hands on that...
Yow! Hey, no hitchhikers.
Hey, that's no Hawaiian surfer, dude! Stop in the name of safety!
Going right.
Woodpecker! Put me down!
Dudes, you're gonna snarf the competition for sure.
Say, this is kinda... What's the word I'm looking for?
Fun?
Fun! Yeah! Yeah! Who knew? Ho-ho! Let's hang some beat! Woodpecker! Mama likes!
I've created a hang 10 fun-loving monster.
It's unanimous! The Woodpecker and the Ranger are today's winners! Ow!
Mine!
It's mine.
It's mine! I've never won anything in my life!
Okay, whatever you say. Say, fellas, have you met Meany, the greatest new surfer on the beach? Ow!
Why? Well, yes, I am.
Hey, Meany, show us that gnarly screaming banshee move.
Oh, my. Who should I take first?
Pick Mo here.
Like Eeny, pick Eeny. Me, Miney!
Oh, together that makes us Eeny, Meeny, Miney, and Mo. Get it? Never mind. Just walk with me and look good. Tomorrow, I may even try one of those newfangled bathing suits when I surf. Keep your eyes on me, boys. Oh, I'm just a fun fanatic. Woo-hoo! Mama likes! Yeah!